Okay, this is part 2 of if you are currently doing furniture makeovers, furniture flips, painted furniture, and you want to turn it into an official business, what I recommend you do or learn from my mistakes or things that I put off. It's like a really concise title, right? Okay, so this is something I actually haven't done yet, but it's on my list, and I'm kind of too busy now that like the business has started to take off and I'm getting like all these customs requests and stuff. So this I wish I had done earlier, is to create an avenue or a platform where I'm hosting my own content. So for me, that's going to be a website. It could be like a blog or something like that for you, but somewhere that if all these other social media platforms just cease to exist tomorrow, all of your content and your things like that wouldn't just disappear off the face of the earth. So I also have a backup of all of my stuff I have it on in the cloud, like whatever the Apple one is, iCloud, I guess. But I also have it on my Google Drive because I just don't trust technology, evidently. But I want to set up that website so that I can then direct people who aren't necessarily interested in me as a content creator and learning about my life and like listening to me talk shit on the internet. But they can say, here's my professional website with a portfolio of my beautiful work, and contact me there and I'll look like I have my shit together. Another thing, if you're buying a whole bunch of different like paint products and stains and this and that, keep track of how much those things cost and where you buy them from, because you'll find that some places it's way more expensive than others for like the exact same product in the exact same size. I was surprised when I started keeping track of this. Like Lowe's versus Home Depot for some things too, it's like not congruent. And if you're trying to grow your following on social media, and that's like kind of the avenue that you're trying to get new clients and stuff for your furniture business, I have a meeting, one sec. Sorry. So if you're doing it through social media, if that's kind of what you're using to grow your following and you're wanting to grow your following, focus on creating community and engaging with the people that are engaging with your stuff and that give a shit about the things that you're putting out into the world. Because community, they'll back you up if you're wanting to grow it into something else, if you're wanting to sell products, commissions, shit like that. Build that community because the people will trust you if you're being like authentic and giving your real opinions about things. And also they're going to want to support you. They're going to want to see you succeed, especially if they've been around for a while and they're watching you grow. Like when I see people that I've been following for 2 years and they get like their first sponsorship, I'm like, fuck yeah, girl. Like you want those people to be rah-rahing behind you because, if you just go viral and it blows up and people don't really care about you, then that's not going to translate if you're wanting to turn that into something else. But if you're just staying furniture, then that's fine. Don't even listen to that tip. Okay, I'm running out of time again. Here's part 3.